All right, we're at Autotech, and I found something that's something similar, but it's something different. All right. So, Don, what's the difference in this truck this time?
Just a Bass Fishing K and then the DC Elite.
DC Elites. We got 415s in there, and then all the highs are DS18s. All right. Okay, so first demo. This thing clamped at 4,000 watts?
Yeah.
That's a lot of wind for 4,000 watts. Yeah.
So you're still on it? Let's go jump on the DC just like
All
that.
right, okay, let's go on a DC trip from 415s to 618s. All right, here we go. Okay, so we went from 4 DC Elite 15s. We're gonna step it up to what is this?
618s.
6 level 6s?
Yes.
I have a feeling it's going to be a little bit louder today, so let's get in it. Okay, we are in the death lair.
Round 2, right?
Round 2, DC level 6, 618s. And again, how many amplifiers do we have in here?
3 Bass 15Ks.
3 Teraamps 15Ks. All right, how much battery power are you running in this thing?
290s.
290, so 180 amp hours?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I'm gonna get a little bit of pain here. All right. Let's do it.
Walking to school telling me always in a barbershop, cheeky thing about this, cheeky about that. My boy a BD on fucking Lemron and them. They say that
Hairstyle by Don David. Oh my God. So what did this thing do on the meter today?
161.
Yeah. I felt every bit of that 161 right there. How you doing out there?
Great. Oh, yeah.
It was good for you as it was for me.
Definitely, always.
Oh man, dude, this thing sounds louder than the last time
think
I was
so?
in it. Yeah.
I think we only changed that top part.
Okay, so it's the ceiling doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.